In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add special characters in WordPress posts. If you want to add special characters in your posts or pages, you can do that very easily from your WordPress editor. To add special characters in a post, navigate to that post. I'm going to edit this one. Now go to this option called Toolbar Toggle, and this will display more tools that you can use to edit your post. And among these tools, there is the Special Character option. Click on it. And now you can choose from a variety of special characters. Just click on the one that you like, and that character will be added to the post. You can add as many characters as you like. That's it. This is how you can add special characters in WordPress posts. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.